Hey, this is Miss Williams. Happy holidays. I hope everyone has a good winter break. It's coming soon. Countdown begins. If you haven't um, sent your items, please send your items. Our party will be at 1 o'clock on Friday due to specials. We're going to do the gingerbread houses on Thursday, so make sure they send their own things for decorating their gingerbread houses on for Thursday. I just wanted to let you know I'm sending home their report card. It's in a brown envelope. If they didn't get a chance to get it today, I'll give it to them tomorrow. It has several things in the report card. It has the report card, something from the office. It has a letter that I typed just kind of telling you what we're working on and what our goal is for reading. And also, it talks about a program that we use at school that's for reading and math. And so they can also do the same program at home, but they have to have their username and password. So if you go to students and then go to the ClassLink portal, then they can access the Path Blazers. And so I'm not sure if some of you have already started or not, but it's the one like this where normally you go to access the Google Classroom. And so we have the ClassLink Launchpad is where they need to go, but just kind of the same way that you do for Google Classroom. It'll look like this, and then once it loads, this is the symbol you're going to be looking for. And they've done it in class, they've done this in the computer lab, so they should be able to, once they get to this page, be able to show you which one it is. But it's called Path Blazers, and this is the symbol. So when they go to this one, they click it, and then it's going to show a green box and a purple box. And so one is for math and one is for reading. And then don't click the one with my name for Donna Williams. Go to the next box, and if it has a check on their boxes, that means that they're done. And so then they go to the next box. And so they just kind of go in order to complete it. Each one is at their level. So most kids are on different ones and they have different levels, so not everybody's looks exactly the same. And it's based off the maps test that they took a little earlier in the school year, and we'll be taking the maps test again for reading and math and fluency in probably January. So they'll be testing them for the middle of the year and the end of the year. And so the students getting on Path Blazers and going through the lessons, that's going to help to increase their scores. And so we want them to be able to be successful and have a high score when they complete it. So we talked today about them mastering their levels and trying to get as high as they can. And so we're tracking our data scores to see if they can move their clothespin up to a higher level. So just make sure that they try and get on Path Blazers daily. At least 15 minutes. If they want to do more, if you feel like they need more, they can get on and do more. But at least 15 minutes per subject. Make sure you're also reading to them. And then I sent home books and baggies that I've just been kind of cleaning and getting rid of books. And so I've been sending them home and they can keep them and just practice reading. So you practice letting them read and then also just reading to them as well will be good. But just make sure they get on at least, 15 minutes per subject. And if they can go, longer, let them go longer. But the more that they go through the lessons, hopefully that will help them when it's time to do the MAPS test. But I just wanted you to kind of know where it is. In your report card, I have a card with their username and password. A few of them had to be changed during for the test, so just make sure you use that one, even if you have to, use Google Classroom If we ever end up virtual or for whatever reason, if they're sick and you need to do virtual. So to look at assignments. We've been having some internet trouble and uh, Google's having a little bit of trouble, so it may not be working this week, but hopefully it'll be up and running soon if not. But you'll use that username and password to get to the apps. So a couple of people, I know their passwords have changed. If you have any questions, need any help, just let me know. Just send me a message on Class Dojo. Thank you.